Today we got a video from Body Cam Watch, and the title of the video is Disrespectful 20-year-old turns traffic stop into 4 felonies and $15,000 bond.
On December 22, 2023, an officer located a vehicle that had just fled from his traffic stop.
Where are the chambers? You don't see my lights behind you?
I was pulling over. I just want to pull over in my yard.
No, you don't do that. Step out of the car. Step out of the car.
For what?
Step out of the car.
Step out.
Step
What I'm stepping out for?
No, you stay inside the car. You step out.
Oh.
Because you're clearly fleeing.
No, I would not flee.
I lit you up late on orange. Let's go. Come on. I'm done with you.
I'm not going to jail.
Come on. Come on. Come on.
Get out of the vehicle.
Come on.
Bro, no,
Get out of the vehicle. Get out of the car. Get out of the car.
Call my mama, bro.
Get out of the car. Get out of the car. Come on.
No, bro. Call my
Get out
mama.
of the car.
Get the fuck off me, bro.
Get out of the car.
Bro, no,
Step out.
bro. No, bro.
Step out.
Bro, I press the fuck at your ass.
Go ahead.
I don't even know. Bro, don't take me.
Face the car.
Get off me, bro. No, I'm not going to
Face the
jail,
car.
bro. Get off me. Get the fuck off me, bro.
Face the car. Face the car. Face her. Face her out. Face the car.
Bro, for what? Bro, don't take me, bro.
Turn around.
Turn around now.
Wrong with y'all last
Turn around.
bro, all y'all shit. Bro, stop f***ing me. I'm not finna fall on the phone.
You're gonna get tased.
No, the f*** I'm not. I ain't do shit, bro. Bro, call my mom.
Stop.
Call my mom.
Stop.
You're gonna get tased. Stop.
Back up. Back up.
Call my mama. 5, 2, 3.
Put her in the back of a car.
Bro, no, bro. Do shit, bro. Get off me.
You can put her in mine.
Bro, call the lawyer. Bro, I'm gonna bind out, bro. I got money.
All right. Put her out.
Bro, what the f*** is y'all doing, bro?
Not taking off. She's doing all this shit. Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Turn. Watch the taking.
Oh, she balled.
The police.
Wait, what?
Who's got shackles?
Probably.
Bro, I'm gonna get out, bro. I don't care about none of this shit.
Damn, my boy threw the wig off.
Shackle her. And then put her in there. Watch it.
You can't bring her to Valor?
No, we cannot LP. She just kicked one of us.
Bro, I get that one.
She missed. This one, lift it.
Bro, what is on my feet?
You're not gonna be able to kick us anymore.
Bro, this jail shit don't mean shit to me, but I've been to jail before. I don't see the jail shit. Money good. I'm gonna bond out and be back out on this road again.
Okay.
I'm gonna show y'all, bro. I'm gonna show you better than I can tell you.
I don't think that's necessarily a good thing that you have been to jail before. Because clearly you didn't learn your lesson the first time. Maybe you like going, that's why you keep messing up. No reason to flee for a simple traffic stop unless you got something to hide.
Naya, call my mama, bro.
We got a wagon coming?
Yeah. After, issues.
Naya, call my mama, bro.
She said, shut up. Stop talking.
Bitch, I don't have to shut up for nobody.
Are you related to her?
No, I'm just her best friend.
Did she take something tonight?
Huh?
Did she take something tonight that she acting like that?
She just got an attitude on her. That's really it, bro. Right, like that's really it. I promise you that's it, bro.
I'm just like if she took something, I just want to know if she
Nah.
medical.
No.
133, 134, 135, 136.
Bro, this shit hurt.
You had $136 on the floor, okay?
So it back in my purse.
Apparently,
She's
she
fine.
flicked off May. Macon flicked his light. She flicked him off, and then Macon turned off his lights, and she kept going.
She gave you the finger and took off?
Y'all always with me, bro. Bro, this shit's hurt. It don't take all of y'all to hold me like this.
It does. Kick the police, yes.
Bro, I don't owe y'all no loyalty. I don't owe y'all shit.
Okay.
Bitch, I don't even gotta respect you.
Okay.
Just because you got a badge on, you work for Evolution,
Okay.
Daytona. Bitch,
Okay.
I don't owe you shit.
Okay.
No, I don't owe you none of y'all nothing. I can drive how I want to drive, do it how I want to do. Bitch, this is my life. I don't owe y'all shit. Nothing.
No, I'm telling you, she was like 70 miles an hour. When I was talking to you guys, she was already going, but I didn't have my lights. But before she turned to put my lights on, bro, she hit 70 over here. And zigzag, whatever. She's screaming she's gonna drive however she wants to. She's gonna end up hurting herself and somebody else.
Bro, you're talking about more, bro. Who said the
Stop! Nonsense, bro. All this for what?
I told her to shut up or something.
No, you good.
They're with her now. I mean, she's got her now.
10 in the back.
Yeah, you know.
Bro, if y'all gonna take me to jail, why the f am I not there yet?
Because we're going to put you in a wagon instead of a car.
I was, bro, y'all hurting my arm. What the f hurting me, bro?
Pulling away.
You hurting my arm. What the f is wrong with you? Let me go.
They got one line and 10 in the back.
Yeah, unfortunately.
Appreciate you having us.
It's going to go with us. Appreciate you.
I'm not taking my tents off. Not doing none of that. So I don't know what y'all gonna ever do. Any car I get, my tents are gonna be just like that. So I don't know what y'all gonna want me to do. Every time I get a ticket, I'm gonna have to just pay. What the f? Simple. That's just what it is.
All this shit that she's saying, just make sure the judge is aware of this.
What you said, so bitch, who the f are you? The law?
She talked to her to try to calm her down a little
We've
bit.
tried that with other people already. She's all.
She wanted to try to talk to her so she'll calm
you
down.
know who? Who want to talk to her?
The one standing up with her.
You know her?
sons, they just want her to calm down.
Come on.
He said, come on.
We'll try it.
But if it doesn't work, just be willing to back away, because
Yeah. Where's Naya? Thank
You
you.
know her, right?
Lucia and Naya. Where's Naya, the other
the
one?
passenger, she walked up. We told her to just wait in front of that car. She's probably over there. Yeah, she's in front of that cop car.
Who you talking about? Calm down, baby. Lucia. Lucia. Oh, God. Baby, you making it worse. Yes.
Moving and it won't hurt.
This shit hurt. Who is that? Ow, top. Take this shit off. This shit hurt my wrist, bro. Take this off me, bro.
You gotta calm down, right?
Take these clothes off. That hurt my wrist, bro. Y'all don't give a f. This shit's not on you, bro. This shit's on me. This shit hurt. Ouch, bro. Take this off my.
Yeah, it's on you because of your actions. All you doing is whining and blah, 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 hooting and hollering. Damn, shut the fuck up, please. You can't cry about the situation that you put yourself in. What's wrong with these people, man? And what value do you think she brings to that friendship? The other one, she probably has a temper too, right? But she can control her emotions a lot better. You could tell she's calm, cool, collected, no problems, been respectful to the police, the friend. But this is your friend. And that's a representation of you. A lot of times we are the average of the 5 closest people in our lives. A lot of times, you know, closest friends, stuff like that. Right? We all hang with our friends, whatever, because we have things in common. This is your best friend? What type of value does she bring to the friendship? Please let me know, because it don't seem like she's driving reckless. If she crash or whatever, that's your life. Don't care. She don't care about going to jail. She don't got no respect for authority or nothing.
Arrest, bro.
No, he ain't coming out. He's locked in there.
Sound like the dog ready to work. And it's raining.
I can see her hit it.
Road could be slippery.
Bro, no, bro. Get the f off me, bro.
You're close. Let's go right to the wagon. You only got
Bro.
worse. Come on. Come on.
This hurt my feet. Take it off my feet, bro. No, bitch, like my feet, bro.
Are you gonna step up on your own, or are we gonna have to put you in there? Stand up and walk out there. Stand up. Stand up. Walk up there. Tell her we'll adjust the wrist when she get up there. Walk up there. We'll adjust the wrist when you get up there.
Hey, Lucia, calm down, baby.
Oh, where's my mama at?
Walk up there, we're gonna put you in there. All right. Listen, walk in there, we gotta put you in there.
Bro, tell her give me my shoes, bro.
Where the shoes at?
Bro, they won't give me my shoes.
Here, come on, get the shoes. Maybe, all right.
Calm down.
Give her shoes.
Okay, but it's all the time consecutive things. They always with me, bro. Bro, y'all always with me, bro. Bro, you don't gotta make me, bro. I'm not talking to child, bitch. This talk this shit.
Be respectful, but just go.
Bro, they don't respect me. I don't gotta respect them.
Thank you.
When you can, when she calms down, get those cuffs up front.
Look at that. I didn't mean to cut you off.
I don't want to try you. No, it's much harder.
Appreciate you coming out for. Thank you.
Merry Christmas.
Thank you.
Hmm. Merry Christmas. Yeah, this is just always playing the victim card. Y'all always messing with me. You always messing with me. You didn't do nothing wrong. You didn't put yourself in this predicament at all. Come on, man. They didn't just come to you for no reason. You clearly did something wrong. Anyway, stop doing things wrong and you'll start getting pulled over by the cop. See how that works? Anyway, I think the officers did pretty good. Yeah. Oh man, I'm tired. Last video of the day. Woof. Anyways, yeah. Just pathetic. Anyway, yeah, I get officers 4 out of 5. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officers did, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video.